So there's an imaging evidence. I usually see this evidence when there is a dislocation of the shoulder, okay, and it's a characteristic. So they call this anterior X-ray, okay, of posterior dislocation of the so anterior posterior X-ray of posterior dislocation of the shoulder, and it shows a characteristic which is known as the electric bulb appearance. Electric bulb appearance. So usually occurs when there's a dislocation around the shoulder and this is moving backward. Okay, the the humerus there is moving backward. Okay, bulb appearance. It's like an electric bulb that is shining. Okay, so it's actually one of the classic signs you can use to diagnose or confirm that there was a posterior, dislocation of the shoulder. So in the posterior dislocation, the humeral head is going backward. Okay, it also becomes fixed in the internal rotation. So because of the rotation, the greater tuberosity is hidden and the humeral head looks very smooth, rounded, and featureless. So this gives the impression of a uniformly rounded bulb-like shadow, and this actually resembles an electric bulb. That's why we actually call it the electric bulb appearance. So the normal contour of the humeral head, the tuberosity is usually visible, okay, and it's lost because there's a. Do you understand? There's a dislocation now, so that's what helps us to now further confirm electric bulb appearance. So other associated radiographic features include absence of the overlapping between humeral head and glenoid fossa because it's moving backward outside the glenoid cavity. We have the trouble line sign, which is the vertical line on the medial aspect of the humeral head. We have the fixed internal rotation on the arm on imaging. Then, of course, clinically, based on signs and symptoms, the patient is finding it difficult to use that part of the body again. So that's what we have for this feature, and this is how this feature can help you to confirm the diagnosis of dislocations of the shoulder.